Alright, so let's open this up. See what we got. Oh. Okay. So I got these off of StockX. You got the tag here, making sure it's authentic and whatnot. First impressions, I think it's pretty nice. I mean, this is my first pair of dunk lows, so I've never had like another to compare with. But these ones, the leather seems pretty nice. And from what I've heard, this is like a better leather quality than some of the other dunks, like the pandas and whatnot. A little bit of dirt here. It's cool. But yeah, it looks really nice to me. I mean, people are complaining like, oh, they don't like the back part of this because it's black, and it kind of, you know, it's just the check mark is kind of hidden here. But the way I see it, it's like a half a panda. Like the back of the pandas look like this, like with this panel here, and it's also black here. Pretty much, this is the only part that's different. So you're getting half. To me, the way I see it is like you're getting half a panda shoe and you're getting half a Chicago shoe. So what's there not to like, you know? And I feel like this panel right here, the black on black, this really makes the dunk stick out, you know, stand out, and it shows that's a dunk. You know, you got other. This red on red, like it'll look too much like a regular Jordan, like a Jordan 1 low or Air Force 1 low or something. So yeah, I think it looks pretty nice, honestly. I don't really like this tag up here that says 75th, but I feel like your pants will just cover this probably. You don't need to worry about that. If you really don't like it, I guess you could take it off or whatever, but I don't really care, honestly. You see that it's made in Vietnam. And I got the size 9 over here. But yeah, overall, it's really nice, and the price has been coming down. I feel like this is worth what I paid for it. Definitely not. And honestly, the quality is really great on this shoe, so you can't really go wrong. I feel like, you know, these are probably the best quality dunks, one of the best quality dunks out there. So you're getting what you pay for. If you're paying retail, like, that's an amazing price. If you're paying a little bit over retail, that's fine too. You know, I definitely don't think these are worth like 200 plus, like what some people might have paid for it before, but at this 140 range, 130 to 150, I feel like it's a really good buy, honestly. I wish I could have got it for retail, but I don't have the time to be looking through all this when the shoes drop and whatnot. If I see something that's affordable to me, if I like it, like, I'll get it. So yeah, that's what I think, and those are my opinions. You guys could leave a comment if you have another opinion. I like this diamond thing too. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and I normally don't have any basketball shoes. This is probably the first basketball-ish shoe that I have. So I think it's honestly great. I've never bought a Chicago colorway either, so it's my first one. So I feel like I understand if you have this colorway in a Jordans or something, you wouldn't probably be looking here. But I live in Chicago, and I don't have any other pair like this, or any other kind of Jordan pair, Nike pair that has a Chicago colorway. So I think I just saw this and I just fell in love pretty much, and I don't see what the hate's about. You know, most people do like it. It's only a few that are kind of hating on it, and And I understand like the other shoe is more of the, I guess, proper color way, but honestly it looks too much like a Jordan. I feel like Jordan 1 low, so I much prefer this colorway, and the quality over that and the price over that. It's just a lot going for this versus, I don't understand how you choose that other one, honestly. Even if I had the money for that, or if it was affordable, I still feel like these, they stand out more. You know, they're more unique than those. And this one really looks like a Dunk. It doesn't look like an Air Force, or Air Jordan 1, sorry. And yeah,